Hello everyone. So this is our second session. In first session we have learned about soil. Okay, the introduction of soil we have learned that. Okay, so first we will revise the things that related to the soil profile. Okay, in first session we have learned some definitions that related to that. Okay, so in that we have learned the horizons of the soil and what is the soil profile. So horizons means what? Whatever the soil is there. Okay, soil is formed from the rocks. Then when there is a formation, that formation is in the layers. Okay, your soil is forming in the layers. So that layers are known as horizons of the soil. Understood? In second session means now whatever we are going to learn, that soil profile, so you should know what is the horizons of the soil and what is the soil profile. Okay, so please keep in mind these all definitions. Then we have learned about the soil profile. Okay, so soil profile is a vertical section of the soil which depicts all the layers of the soil. Means the vertical section, as we are doing in with the microorganisms, that we are doing the section. Okay, section, do you know about the section? Yes, the vertical section. Okay, that we will see with diagram. So that vertical section of the soil in which we can see the layers properly, so that is known as soil profile. Understood? Yes. Then we have learned about the humus, weathering and parent rock. Humus means what? The decaying matter, the dead remains of plants and animals. Okay, it is known as humus, which makes the soil fertile. Next we have learned about weathering. So weathering is a process in which soil is formed from the rocks. Okay, the rocks are just broken down into smaller pieces, and that process is known as weathering. For weathering, many reasons are there, like the rain, flowing water, wind, temperature and climatic condition of a place. Okay, and the third one, that is parent rock. Now your soil is formed by the rock. Okay, the rock is broken down into smaller pieces. So that main rock from which your soil is formed, so that rock is known as parent rock. Because the parent rock is there, the nature or the texture or which minerals are present in the soil, that depends upon that parent rock. Understood these definitions? Yes. Now we will start our main point, that is soil profile. Means in this session we are going to learn about the horizons, means about the layers of the soil. So write down the aim and the keywords of this session. Ready? Yes, write down aim: to understand soil profile. Okay? Yes, and then write down the keywords: horizon, topsoil, nutrients and bedrock. Written? Take a screenshot and then write down. See the diagram. The diagram is important. Okay, so take the screenshot of this diagram and then draw this diagram in notebook. Whenever I will tell you about the notebook completion and all, you have to complete that on time. Okay, anytime I will ask you about your notebook, so you should complete your notebook properly and on time. So draw this soil profile in your notebook. Okay, understood? Yes, take the screenshot and then write then draw that diagram. So this is known as soil profile, where we can see the distinct layers, and each layer is having different property and different names. So we can start. So we can see here, the first layer of your vertical section of soil is A horizon, then B horizon, third one C horizon, and the last one is bedrock. Okay, so 4 horizons are there, we can see in this soil profile. Okay, so one by one we will learn about each and every horizon. So first one, that is horizon A. So it is the uppermost layer of the soil, okay, that you can see here, A horizon, okay, uppermost layer of the soil, which is also known as top soil. Okay, so after drawing A horizon, that labeling in bracket right here, top soil. Okay, and this layer, this top soil or the A horizon, is made up of sand, silt, clay and pebbles. Pebbles means small stones. As in A horizon, there is a humus. Now humus means what? That rich in nutrients. And because of the humus is present in A horizon, this layer is a most fertile layer of our soil. Okay? Understood about the A horizon? Which is rich in humus, which makes the soil fertile, and it is made up of sand, silt, clay and pebbles. Okay, this horizon A supports the plant that you can see here. Okay, the roots are in the A horizon. Okay, we depend on A horizon to grow crops. The layer is full of roots, so you can see here the roots in A horizon. Okay, many kinds of soil organisms also live in this layer. But this layer is different from place to place. Means if the two places are there, place A and place B. If in place A horizon is having different property, and in place B, same horizon but having different properties. Okay, so this layer is varies from place to place. Understood? Means the soil may be loamy soil, clay soil, silty soil or sandy soil. So that we will learn in types of soil, but just remember that. So notes I have given about this horizon, you can see here. This layer is also called the top soil and it is visible to us. Okay, we can see. Now whatever layer we can see, that is your horizon A, which contains large amounts of humus and minerals, which makes it dark in color. So you can see the color of soil. The soil is rich in nutrients because of the presence of humus. Okay, the humus is present in this soil, in this layer. The top soil has a soft texture and can retain water easily, and that is why plants' roots grow in the top soil region. So that this one is actually a property of soil that we will learn in third session, okay, in detail about the retaining of water. And the top soil is home to many living organisms as well, like insects, worms, beetles, rodents and moles. So many organisms, many animals are living in the top soil in the horizon A. Understood? Yes. Now the horizon B or the middle layer. Okay, so below the horizon A there is a horizon B. So you can see here. Okay, as compared to the horizon A, this is a harder region. Harder region means what? Besides sand, silt and clay, it contains a large amount of pebbles. Okay, here also in horizon A also pebbles are there, but as compared to that in B horizon there are large amount of pebbles. Understood? And this layer is contain a very little amount of humus. Okay, means humus is normally present in A horizon, not in a B horizon. Okay, the roots of trees and the shrubs are present in this layer, but this B horizon is a storehouse of minerals. Means minerals are present in more amount in the B horizon. Why? See, the water soluble minerals from horizon A accumulate in this region. Means here from this A horizon the minerals are accumulating here means they are collected in this B horizon, and that's why it is a storehouse of minerals. Okay, remember that B horizon is a storehouse of minerals, and this layer is also called as subsoil. Okay, A horizon is the topsoil and B horizon is a subsoil. Understood? See, don't do ratta and all. With the diagram, you have to only remember the diagram. From the diagram, you can write your points. Okay, don't revise all these points. With the help of this diagram, you have to write your own points. You can take the help of these notes, but you should write your own points. Okay, so see, I have given, it is the next layer of the soil which does not contain much humus. Minerals are found in large quantities in this layer. Okay, and that's why it is a storehouse of minerals. This layer has a hard texture because the many pebbles are there, then in light color, and is more compact than the topsoil. Compact means the packed, means there is no space as compared to the horizon A. Understood? Yes. And next one, that is horizon C. So you can see here a third layer, horizon C. The lowermost layer of the soil is the horizon C, which contains mostly large pieces of rocks. You can check through the diagram, large piece of rocks. Hardly any roots penetrate this layer. See, the layers normally in A horizon, some layers are there in B horizon, but in C horizon hardly any roots penetrate. Okay, which is a hard layer of rocks. Many rocks are there, so roots cannot penetrate in this layer. Okay, and this is why it is difficult to dig beyond this level, because the stones are there, the rocks are there, which are very hard in nature. Understood about this C horizon? See, the easy points are there. I think now you can understand these things. Okay, and the last one, that is bedrock. See this one. So from the diagram also you can see. So below this is a solid rock that is called bedrock, which is non-porous. Non-porous means what? Rainwater gathers over it to form the water table. Means the water cannot absorb through these rocks. Okay, the last horizon of your soil profile is a bedrock. See, it contains large pieces of rocks that are not weathered or exposed to any winds or water. As above the bedrock, many layers are there. Okay, so that wind or the flowing water cannot reach this bedrock, and the bedrock cannot be dug with the help of a spade because it is a very hard in texture. The stones are there, the hard rocks are there. Understood about this? Understood? Okay, so 4 layers we have learned in the soil profile. So I hope that you have understood all the things that I have taught. Now what you have to do? Now your homework is that you have to draw this diagram. Okay, whatever instruction I have given, please follow that instruction. Then after drawing the diagram, you have to write the notes on each and every horizon in your own points. Okay, don't copy from this. It is a strict instruction. Take the help of your textbook, take the help of these slides, but don't copy as it is. Okay, okay, so do your homework and stay safe, stay home. Thank you.